To our COVID-19 coverage in Colorado, and it's been about 2 weeks when restaurants in El Paso County could be allowed to reopen their dining room services.
KRDO News Channel 13's Colby Crossley looks into how business is coming along. Colby.
Josh, Bryn, well, places like Slinger Smokehouse, which you can see behind me here, they're officially back open for dine-in. But the thing is, like Slingers and other places around El Paso County, that is far from normal. Here at Slingers, they are once again beginning their day preparing for hungry customers. Those customers, a welcome sight after 2.5 months of not being able to serve people inside. Greg Howard, co-owner and president of the Pikes Peak chapter of the Colorado Restaurants Association, says business for them has been great for the last 2 weeks, but getting back into the swing of things has been, in his words, weird.
Kind of give us a little more purpose in life again. It was weird. I have to admit, it was really strange to have the guests in again and have the staff, they're a little rusty. It's been 2.5 months.
The restaurants that chose to open are, of course, subject to strict guidelines, like maintaining a maximum of 50% capacity or 50 people, whichever is less. They also have to keep customers 6 feet apart and not allow customers to mingle between parties. Howard says they have done everything they possibly can to abide by these new rules.
Get some guests who asked if we could remove our masks. Or if the servers were allowed to remove their masks while they're at the table. It's a very nice request, but right now we're sticking with the rules.
None of these new rules are helpful to the bottom line, especially in the wake of big losses since March. In fact, Howard says restaurants could take 2 years to fully recover from the financial hit of this pandemic. But like many other owners, Howard chooses to be optimistic.
Our regular customers, they're fantastic. They've been supporting us through this whole thing. Even through social media, just supporting every post we put up, and then they came out for sure.
And obviously, with places starting to open up again, COVID-19 is it's very uncertain what it's going to look like in the future, but the Department of Public Health can say that hospitalizations are the lowest that they've been since March 26th, and signs of symptoms are the lowest since the start. Here in Colorado Springs, Colby Crossley, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right, thanks, Colby.